Now we will decide who are going to back to their respective homes and who are going to stay. Those people who don't have the paper document to travel Europe. Yeah.
As for my guys from childhood, I want to become a good player of our continent. When I heard from our colleagues that I have been selected for Tibetan national team, then from that onwards, I am confident in my heart that I will do for my Tibet whatever I have, that much. Then I am full confidence that I will do much better than others for my countryland, so that I will be a best player of the my countryland. When I heard the news that I will not go to Denmark, I am very upset or sad to know.
It's very sad. I feel so sad for my friends, man, seriously. More than half of the team is not good. For me, I got no problem. Mine's already done. They won't say, but inside they feel really bad. But what to do, I guess, that's life.